Oh, hi there. My name's Avery Berman. I'm a postdoc fellow under the supervision of Jon Polimeni in the High Resolution and Ultra High Field NeuroImaging Laboratory. My recipe is the long lost pad thai. I hope you enjoy. So this recipe originated somewhere on the internet back in the fall of 2010. Can't find it now though. So I just moved to Montreal to start grad school, and I didn't have internet set up at my apartment yet, and definitely no smartphone at the time. I went to the local library to find a pad thai recipe, but the library was closed, which I didn't know because I had no internet and no phone book. So I called a friend and she read off the ingredients and instructions for the top recipe she found. Sitting on a bench outside the library, I wrote the recipe down on a sheet of loose leaf, and I've dragged that sheet around with me from Montreal to Calgary to Boston for the last nearly 10 years. And it's featured in the recipe book and in this video. I can barely read it today, so now I'm glad I have a digital copy. So anyways, in this version here that I'm making, I did not use any shrimp, so it's a nearly vegetarian-friendly version, except for the fish sauce. I hope you enjoy the recipe, and I look forward to seeing you all soon.